The Hornady powder cop die is a rather simple device consisting of a threaded die body which has standard 7/8 by 14 threads, meaning it can be used on most any press. It has the standard Hornady split die lock ring, and then it has the rod, which is activated by the powder in the case and the cartridge being validated. And this rod can be set to multiple heights. You see the detents here where the O-ring resides. It snaps into those recesses there, and it allows you to set the O-ring to a particular height and then to fine-tune the setting by raising and lowering the die. So let's see how we can set up and use this die on a progressive reloading press. Alright, so we've got the Dillon XL650 set up for loading .357 Magnum. And I've got a charged case in station number 3. So we're going to just take a look at how we can set up the Hornady powder cop die on the XL650. We're going to start out by taking off the pin for the tool head. And then we're also going to start with the lock ring down towards the bottom of the threads here. You can see that that's going to put it below the powder measure so that we don't have any interference there. So what I'm going to do is raise the ram to the top. Start threading the die down. We're just going to hold the lock ring so that it stays constant in its relationship with the tool head, and just continue to screw the powder cop die down until we see the O-ring emerge right above the top surface of the die. The exact alignment of the O-ring is up to user preference. I'm then going to take the charged case and put it back through. It looks like we're just a little bit high compared to where I like to have it, so we're just going to back the die down just a little bit. Let things settle in so that we get a consistent reading. That's about where I like to see it. So as you can see, it's very quick to set up. You can use multiple powder cop dies, one per tool head, or put it in a lock and load bushing. If you're using a single stage or progressive press that has the lock and load system, that's likely going to be a progressive press given the type of die this is. So this is an easy die to set up and use, but what you have to do is make sure that you're extra vigilant about watching the indicator each time the ram is at the top of its stroke while you're loading. Otherwise you're not going to catch a powder problem. So I hope this has been helpful. For other resources, including blog posts, information, technical diagrams, please go to ultimatereloader.com and check out the blog and manufacturer specific pages. Thank you.